Hello! In this video, I'm going to make a cow keycap for my shop. By the way, cows are my absolute favorite animals. I love all about them. I have absolute everything with cow print, I believe. Once I even went to a cow milking experience. But to be honest, after seeing how cows being milked, what conditions they're being milked in, I don't want to drink milk anymore. Even knowing that milk getting filtered, all this dirt, dust, feces are not letting me enjoy the milk the same as I did before seeing this. Well, my dears, I have only one advice for you. If you love milk, you better not know how they make it. Keycap is done, by the way. Thanks for watching.